In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple photos into a collage in Canva. We're going to walk through a simple, beginner-friendly way to create a clean photo collage using Canva's grid feature. This is perfect for social media posts, mood boards, invitations, or just organizing your favorite memories into one design. First, open your design in Canva. This can be any size or template you want, an Instagram post, a presentation slide, or a custom size you've set up. Once your blank canvas or template is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You will see a vertical toolbar with different options like templates, uploads, and so on. What you want to click on is Elements. Elements is where Canva keeps all of its building blocks such as shapes, lines, graphics, and the most important thing for this tutorial, grids. So go ahead and click on Elements to open that panel. With the Elements panel open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the word grid, then press enter. This tells Canva that you're specifically looking for layout grids, which are ready-made frames that automatically arrange and crop your photos into a neat collage. After you type grid, Canva will show you a selection of different grid layouts. You'll see simple options with 2 or 3 photo slots, and more complex ones with many different sections. Take a moment to scroll through and look at the shapes and arrangements. Think about how many photos you want to include and what orientation works best for your design, whether that's square, vertical, or horizontal. When you find a grid layout you like, move your cursor over it and click to select it. Canva will automatically place that grid onto your canvas. You can click and drag the corners to resize it and drag it around to position it exactly where you want. If you're working with a full page collage, you might want to stretch the grid so it fills the entire page. If you're adding it as part of a larger design, you can keep it smaller and leave room for text or other elements. Once your grid is in place, you're ready to start dragging and dropping your photos into each section, and Canva will automatically snap and crop them into the collage.